Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. All right, another very cool first gen Bronco behind me. Right here we have a 1970 first gen Bronco, and you'll see this is Reef, Aqua, and Wimbledon White. Now this was the original color on this Bronco, so the current owner bought this Bronco in 1982, used it for hunting, and then later on teaching the kids how to drive, and then for about 20 years sat in the field, and then after retirement needed something to do, decided to restore it. So let's check it out. So first of all, we keep going back to the OG Bronco script, the original script. It's pretty awesome. Now, there's a couple additions in here. First of all, the engine's been rebuilt. It's an existing 302 that was in the Bronco. It's bored 30 over, to clean up the cylinder walls a little bit after the years of running. A 4-core radiator was added to help keep it cool. This Bronco does have AC on it. And this is pretty cool, we haven't seen this today, a dealer installed winch. So sort of a factory option, but a dealer installed winch. Now for those of you who are first gen enthusiasts and you know everything about it, you might notice that the bumper has been slightly modified on this. So, you can see a little bit of different profile right here. But the color, the body color, the Wimbledon White, there again, I always love the chrome and the red. Ford script in the front. That's why Ford did it on the Heritage and the Heritage Limited Broncos that they've just brought back. So you've got the nice, we haven't seen this, I don't think we've seen this in another review yet. The 302 badge here on the side, pretty cool. You have the chrome, you have the red again, matched up with the side marker here, sort of an amber type side marker. It looks orange here, especially against the color, the paint color there. The wheels, the hubcaps, you've seen these before, perfect, period correct. Don't know if they're original or not, but I know they're period correct. There again, look inside, Wimbledon White. You've got the color again, the body color, and the black seat. Now, you'll have to guess, was this the original color or not? We'll leave that up to you to guess. Mention it in the comments. You think it originally came with a white seat or a black seat? I'd love to know. But you can look inside, very clean, very nice. This Bronco was driven to Super Celebration East 2023, approximately 130 miles, and it drove it here. They're going to drive it back, and just that's what it's about, right? You restore one, but you still drive it. It doesn't stay on a trailer, doesn't stay in a garage. You actually get to enjoy it. So, and I love this, right? See the luggage in the back? Proof that this was driven here, not on a trailer, but they drove it here, so it's pretty cool. So if you like this video, if you like this Bronco, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I can't wait to show you the next Bronco we're going to find in just a few minutes. See ya.